So today I'm working on a 2021 Chevy Equinox. My wife somehow managed to snap off the windshield wiper switch on the steering column. I've disconnected the battery, even though it's been dead about a week probably. Some videos she watched said we had to take the whole steering wheel off, including the airbag. I'm trying not to do that. So I've managed to slip my little plastic puller here to pop, here to pop it off, and then this way up here and up here. Haha! Doesn't look like we're gonna have to take the airbag off at all, hopefully. Oh yeah, there's the bolts. Perfect. Let me go get some tools. So now to get the bottom off, we're gonna turn this 90 degrees. There's a bolt there and a bolt on the other side if we turn that 90 degrees. So let me do that. So those were 7mm bolts, which is kind of odd, and then after I got those two off at the steering wheel, there's also one down here. So let me get that off. All right, taking that bolt off, took the bottom of the column off, and now it looks like we just have these little clips. Ooh. Top and bottom slides right out. There's an electrical connection on the back. So we're going to pull this off, and then the new one should go right on. And here's our new switch, which here's the old one if anybody was interested. Kind of be careful, they snap off apparently. So we're just going to click this into that electrical, well, after we drop it, we're going to click it into the electrical connection, pop it back in, put everything back together. Should be pretty easy. All right, I got to click the button on the back clicked. Click that into place. Push everything back together, put the bolts back on, and voila, we're done. That's actually pretty simple. All right, we got all three 7mm bolts back in, and we just gotta pop it all back together. Pop down. Make sure all the clips go back together. Clip, clip. And then I'm gonna have to jump it off, make sure everything still works. Like I said, the battery's dead, but ta-da! It's easy and simple.